What motivates me is the unknown. No one knows. You know, they can all speculate, but no one really knows. And you know, when you look at my career from high school all the way up through to the pros, no one knew what Michael Jordan was capable of. You know, and myself, I didn't know. You know, but I didn't let that stop me. You know, and I let that motivate me more so than anything. That as long as it's unknown, that means I have a chance. You know, and that's the way I pursued my whole career. You know, I wanted to excel my game and isolate my game from everybody else. That I was more than just, a few-dimensional. Even when it came to Magic Johnson, and I mean, Magic Johnson was a crowd pleaser. He was a good offensive player. He was a great motivator. Average defensive player. I wanted to change that. I wanted to take it another step. I wanted to do all those things, that could separate me from Magic Johnson. I'm not saying he wasn't great. He still is great. But we're great in our own different way, and that was motivational for me, and to this day it still is.